ahwefo amohwen ma waachi baabi a wo bia ha mampo akuapem kontonchi media so ni ene anope ye ne Mr. Ernest Ochre, the rise and fall of Mampong football ya kase ye de bebre mu idina the second interview the much anticipated na the inebre dunu ye ne Mr. Ernest Ochre adodo na friend Ernesto de Silva ene ye ne na hia ewo ahanoma en wa betwen komo kontonchi media so e die football nkomo ewo Mampong akuapem Ernest bia wokode
bia boko na monse
kakra ye da se panse kontonchi media ye adwene se ye no betwen komo no wantwe ya no anwo fam ujetum se oni ebedi nkomo
me so me da masepa
wa hwe kontonchi media the first and only professional footballer ono wa Premier League aba yes onu ye ni Mampong yen professional one oni Mr. Ernest Ochre akura yaka owura Ernest Ochre oye hina
Ernest Ochre obi a Mampong ana mefi me maame ne me papa nyina fi Mampong
okay
me hwi nu efi kuro bi aso
okay
na wo nyina so fi asembo mu
okay
Mampong
okay
ndi Ernest Ochre Mampong ni ba
okay
na Ernest Ochre wo mi Kofodia
okay
na wo de mbepie baby a mefi
okay
ndi me wiase nyina Mampong ana matena sa
okay okay yada nyame ase yentunsi wo educational life wo start school wa hin fa na ukodui na ewia yenfa no wura mu how that influenced your football na efe yenfa wura mu football
okay me started me school caps
okay
na me call kakra na me jai ba Methodist
okay
ndi Methodist na mbe wie JHS me wie na me call Adontin secondary school
okay
me wie Adontin no na mbe pray training college kakra wo PTC na mo ball asemunti o de men to men
enti PTC no kwai ba wen
me call first year second year na me ma me ani ba na me ho so na makopie abucha me bobo
wow oh where ene nkom woni ebedi ene de nkom woni ebedi papa okay football in school at what age at what class and I started ball
time me wo primary no na me goalkeeper Methodist primary na meche school inti ya bobo na obi bobo na ball me yam na me se menchi bi se ya mebo inti ya wana we jai bochi
that was class
5
in the class 5 now we jai bochi
na me jai bochi
and if you call
class 4
okay
class 5 no ball me yam na me jai na me se me fe dia me bobo
inti ball am o yam anki enya Ernest Ochre
David na ka sanka me goalkeeper
yeah nyame ase for Benti. From class 5 go we no start ball.
Me started say me bobo.
Ubo school team.
Me bo school team. Class 5 na me ball normal 3.
Okay.
Me started no. Obi ehun say me ya de but na positions no ho nge wo no abo team na anti na wo say me ko ball defense.
Okay.
Team ko ball class 5.
Okay.
Class 6 nso sa.
Okay.
Ba me ba GHS 1 de ma mo ball. Na me ball table tennis. Inti hona wonga womanyi because time me won Methodist JHS 1 near wo JHS 1 JHS 2 JHS 3 form 4
okay
inti na empanyin 4 ewu mpanti ho de emenya bia mo ba me do JHS 2 no na me san fi asese me sambo
okay
na me bo JHS 3 so
okay inti means how kwa SS so santo ya so bo
SS so me bo SS1 SS2 SS3
okay
and then me bo training na
okay Inti young let's come to Mampong. Your football life in Mampong because you were in Mampong. Yes, at least tell our ball Mampong. How was it like? Because you didn't say Mampong and you want football talent. But to raise them is no joke. So how was it like?
We say now we did can Mampong board the okay wa now we be ball Mampong. We be facing yama bebre. And so mama hwe emu mabem
okay
ni obi abeka bia mama no emu mabem
nkofo kasai
edu baby kura Mampong Park me ene madam football friend na not ye to me father ade ne yekodo park na afu ye do kakakra ne akofre nkrofo so yan do nti wo mra na yemo no wa aba ne ye bon kakra na ye ngado ne ye bo edu mrimri bi no ye yan adwene se ye betitim me munkala ena Mr. Nyame nti ye team bi a wo friend Mampong United sa Mampong United ye na epeja mekese pa
Mampong United na eye we see with team say etewon
yeah
and when nkrofo nte won no na that was your platform
mekese pa
okay
na ye bobo no so ya eja de bi asema mekan se wo ye tu ho achema adwuma bi a Nyame nso ebehira wo
okay
ye bobo na me na mejeje sika ye de bekwa we ni ye nga so ni ye de atukwan Jesse high biribia na media
mba asema okay now how many years
that time na my VSS inti that was 1995
meaning say na ebia who need 20 cry
Debbie.
ana we na just ka
me na me just so kalamon penyin fu anim ye cabbage me that time ye cabbage inti say sika ne ba ni ye de ato se ye kobobo na anso a ne ye nga so ye nga de register team no any support in kakra near the board third division
Mampong United as a
Mampong United
Abrantia was Zua Mampong na ose ukuma di football echi where the facha maybe anami me ma papa but nipa mbeto since mo frasi amo Mampong na ya mama how were you able to break through that? Because enye easy.
Eni ti edu baby kwa na me ma me pese me mfi Mampong a. Se na be ya born na sem no eme house because na adwene se school a na menko. Nti ni a ekoba Mampong United ni yenya fire pen ni bi wo mo frefre ni yiyi Manuel Donko.
Okay.
Ena obeso mu nti ono de okọ me ma me wo. Ewo me ma me draft ko ka che ma me say. Ma oba we emuya bi owo bia me wo bia me de bebu awo
ba cha o ma me boni din na ehu
ma me no wo friend akuya kokko ochi
okay
ah obi a friend Antidora Drastor kuya Drastor
akuya Drastor
may her rest in perfect peace
yes okay
inti yima no ko me ma me ho sa no e ma me e ka kire ne se so say so bebu ame na me se bo na me body a ene wa ahoro me nsa de ama no na eja yima no so na meka se ono no aboa me o me bo mu nyina
okay
if you say Ghana Premier League am ko bo nyina ono no de me ko boy
yebedu how did you get there? How was the transition like? Yebedu Indian Mampong United
and Mampong United team no ene ye form me ya yima ni beso mu no team ni be ye best team in Eastern region nyina
because me mo frase na minim say Mampong had this team the team was so good obi aka Mampong asem
na the whole Eastern obi antu mention obe shen ya je wo the referee abeye biribi ana se biribi asi ana biribi
okay
and sa team no me na me bo captain band me na me ye captain of the club me am ye captain kwa me na me say si players ni jersey ye pon
at 8 would ever is approximately 20 kura
sa ta me na me ye biribi a wo team ni me ne yima na ekọ na eba me ne na ye ye boy akodu middle league anke ye de ba division 1 ewo Kofodia
wow
na yentimi am qualify bo mu insem
yes
inti yentum am qualify inti ohono na yima ka kire me se so hwe ball a me gbo a me deserve se me gbo wa ha bio ena ode me ko bo team bi wo suhun wo friend Freedom Stars na that team na ye first division
okay
inti ode me ko ye no me ko bo team ne kakra that time kra me ko as a defender Sata na me go defense enye ne ya mbe wie football na me ye no mana ya me hihye gugu
okay
inti ho nyina na me go defense
inti na wo be how many years
eno na me wo be 22-23
still young okay
inti ode me ko ho no mo no ho me ko bo one season pe
okay
inti after the season no ka kire me say ode me kwa ko bo Ghana Premier League that was 99-2000
yes
eno ode me ko Kwa Bibrim United.
Okay.
Maybe one Zito.
Yeah.
And then J Pele. May
Okay.
him also rest in perfect peace.
Okay.
Woman J Pele nifi every and Zito nsufi in someone.
Okay.
In the Asama Womakan, Wanganya, one young quan, winning bobo.
Okay.
In the Ahani, there were farming. And my men so many when you're the ball, Ghana Premier League. In the few corner, maybe film Mamma Mampon, journey teams, I can say. Ghana.
Okay, into from Kwabi Brim, where did you go again?
Fiti Kwabi Brim was stay cool professionals.
Stay cool, yeah. Stay make I
also you qualified team in the bag Ghana Premier League.
Stay cool, yes.
And you be bought Ghana Premier League one season, yes, and called
relegation, yeah.
In the team they call relegation, I'm the bar Power FC.
Power FC, make I Power FC, yeah.
Power dear me watch pa.
Oh, okay.
Power Premier no be 6 years.
Oh, okay.
And
back to back 6 years.
6 years.
Okay.
In the Power
as a defender or now number 9.
As number 9. We Kwabi Brim and Zito changing me from defender to number 9. Few command.
So it was we as Uncle when they entered into football, coach back saw them and they was like, you don't deserve this position. Play this position, you'll be good there.
Boss, you can't baller. Me am it here. Say position bien we oboma ntumi mo.
Oh, okay.
Position bien we oboma ntumi mo. Ene de indi say me kai Power FC Bashir for the buy or say opese order me go 8 man kasa me ko bo 8 ne kama ohokra na me se go to center man na me bo 9.
9, okay.
Indi no na akoye say ball no na nipa ni je hundi eja wo kasi ye mbonko ya de a.
Yebebo.
Inti Power FC edu mmiri bi a yekobo match wo Takrade. Emma yen goalkeeper eje red card.
Okay.
Na second goalkeeper no so be dem no so be pry. Emma me koche.
Okay.
Na ball na ka be say 20 minutes ni apon. Me che ya che penalty. Emma ye the draw efi Takrade ba tema.
Wow.
Inti born de eja yenga ye bi pa mi fi Power FC no me ba Accra Great Olympics.
Yes.
Inti be bo Olympics no eno na Mamponfo organize ohumbo bi aye ne hasofo.
Yeah.
Me be bo bi a hasofo say wo mo pem.
So it was that much.
Yes. By that time no na me bo Accra Great Olympics. That time na ma sign Olympics. Abo half season.
Oh, okay.
And I has said
Wapel.
One more pen. Inti has ye be annual Olympics. Ekasai na. Me ba has of. That was 2007, 2008.
Inti me ba. Say you know one mommy a basis to continue my conversation with you. It took an organization of whom no one built down. But it took an organization of an Ohun football match between us and Mampong. Satana Mampong with him.
Satana Mampong team. Sat time on na a fiancé na ye betty team. Na near woman say, na bono a Mampong ne has boy na me mobi. Na miss that time on me pong Olympics training na. Ne maba Mampong de bia aba be coach Mampong boys na one has ebebon.
Wo no pon training na.
Pon fin kran ya. Ye training na nopa Olympics. Ye pon pe ne matuka ne maba Mampong. Ne mabe training won a one we for no has ebebon. In the time no so no ma ya me selection ni ade nyina ade ama empenyin fo no. Ansa no obeka kire me say has ba no don bo te wom Sani Muhammad wom hwana wom koma mu nyina wom tie wo say mmebo. So won nyina wom dia
mebo. Okay. That match in ma odi ko play has
that match no after that match no me ko Olympics one training pe.
Oh,
and no and I made a bar house of see a ball match on a Sunday.
Yes.
Monday, Tuesday, na me call Olympics training. Wednesday, Thursday, na has in Olympics every Inti I was say me twen na the following week ma start training wo house. Na day I me do house na eja. Ona me hu say nipa abobra. Nipa abegu house park etwen me say member training enya asem ketwa.
Wow.
Na niye ya misi park na so kra no. Eja. Na enye easy.
Oh, Debbie, let's get serious here.
Na enye easy. Na enough.
They are now called off your first day at training house.
Day at House of Folk. We do work around. No one started training in Kakra no be an structure no man, structure no man. Into one who's a messy femono. Ubia fi park and also bame home. Na niye ya to me firma ba park and also.
Wow.
Massa.
Then you've enjoyed top level.
Oh boss. Bono. De bi asema mekanye. Ya tuma bobi. Kakra. Ti say Africa ball. Africa ball be anywhere. Ti say CAF Champions League.
Yes.
CAF Confederation and main mobida. Ma bo CAF Champions League. Ma bo CAF Confederation.
CAF Champions League with what team?
House of Folk.
And Confederation with?
House of Folk.
Over house how many seasons?
We has 2 seasons. First one, maybe year na me kwa house no be bo Champions League.
Okay.
Into your hand we register me kwa we register me Ghana League.
Oh wow.
Into your my boy.
Okay.
And no na ye ni AS Aviasa we wo Ethiopia. Wo mo ko hye yen 3 ya ye be hye wo mo 4 wa.
Yeah.
Ni nyina na me wo.
Wow.
Ansa na yesam me sam ball Confederation and no so has.
Oh okay. Inti okay, my main sound chon emra back. Ni ensan kwen yen bio. Papa na obeso Mampong United ni mu no. Oko hu maame a oka asem ne kire wo maame wie no. Did your mother really give up and say still your mother was supportive?
Me maame ohun say born aduma na ne me. Inti no afedi edu baabi no ye na adwene say born na me say me body a ene odene biribi obi abetai meji.
Oh wow.
If he say edu baabi no yes obeyi mafi kurom akra akosum akwakosuya aduma. Sa time no na we results for SS grama. Eno de me koy. Inti o de me koy no nani ba ne ho so na suhum no so me botim wo.
Inti me the sum no do koy.
O de me koy me kotena suhum for 4-5 months. O te na me botim inti o na o san se no say team inti no de me koy ho de ya na mensamra.
Itefi she was supportive.
Fedie me mama beti asise me mobo.
Okay. Yako personal life kakra. Now let's come to Mampong back again. Mampong United. Met me o team means your friend Kontonchi FC.
Me wo. After no so one more be Kontonchi FC.
And also you were part.
There be and na meaning. But no Kontonchi FC for the yard my manager.
Okay.
One more mame award kra. They are one more inaugurated team no. One more mame caps ne ade ne medal say.
Oh wow.
One of the sensational legend.
Oh na send yampa. Oh Mampong aye.
One more yard so na team ni ye team ame so na many ADH. By Saturday na ball asemuti na me to me nya kwan. Okay. Because that na me da so ebobo na na fiance na me ba beja.
Okay. Where the what's the sound of our unchi? Your best sound of Abasa. At what period in time now kwa bridge cover ball?
Oh, after House of Folk me call Mediama.
Okay.
Me call Mediama FC.
Na Mediama or Premier na no.
Na Mediama with Division 1.
From House you went back to Division 1. Mediama.
Inti me call Mediama no. Sa year no na was here qualified by Premier and be board decide that Accra Sports Stadium and na Busuan Dwarfs. Okay. Qualified. Inti after the game and na man be by say or team B and one more pay say to I wo Vietnam.
Okay.
Nti ode me beko.
Okay.
Nti me de me san call takwa back. Me wo hwa na man friend me say we twa plane ticket. IJ visa on arrival. Bibia ma me nti me mesenko. Na me buy na me besenko. Me do on so team no wo mo fa me kama.
Oh, okay.
Emma me go boy nti Asia Champions League ni ade de makobu ko China money Malaysia money ade yakobo team wo.
Wow, and I only bought for how many seasons?
Me bought for 2 seasons.
And I'll buy back to Ghana.
Until buy back to Ghana. I think Egypt. Ekobo Etihad.
Wow.
And also me bought for half season.
Okay.
And I made the back.
Until buy Ghana no. Went to your football to be.
Me bet you also the ball Betim United. And on na a premier.
Wow.
Me bought Betim United until after Betim no. Na fedi saa time na coaching na so abamu pa me diverted back coaching
into back o diverted back coaching at what age?
At 2011 12
and now the back coaching,
but in 2004 2005 me na me coaching and na me ka say me ba ma be coaching friend identity coaching na so edu baby no na abeye me passion.
Okay.
No so na manage ho.
Okay.
So me gu so e bobo ni nyina na me aye mani so ade hu say me wi a me go.
Okay. Enti from when we get into coaching, but say your personal life and then we come to Mampong so where football and Ghana. When you entered into coaching professionally, what was your first football club?
My first football club I mean Ayola. Okay. My team and also fi Mampong ya.
Yeah, with that Mampong that event do me and
team na din de Ayola.
Ayola, okay.
It was founded by Munkala.
Yeah. Mr. Mun. Okay.
Inti me ka say eno na me de start ye pa because eno no obo national league. National Premier League Emano ye boko sunyani nyina
one and what you know park is hey was it that big?
Oh yeah, big. So far me ka say teams are aba Mampong nyina na ye big is in team bia o Mampong Emani team.
Wow.
Because I know na bo Premier League na bo Emano Premier League.
My goodness.
Now,
that team, how did it even go down?
That team, no, one say time na it could do baby, no, na ye support.
Yeah, okay.
But na support and so financial.
Okay.
And no nema it make off firms. Na support na nini. So at a point in time, no, na munkala mo, I say ababa semuno.
Ego. Yeah. Okay. Enti from there, where did you go next?
Oh, what year? Says you am a coachy quite big United. Me coachy down, me coachy Kutuku Royals.
I don't know. Okay.
Division 1.
Okay,
Kutuku. Me the bag Ghana Premier League.
Wow.
Kutuku Royals.
Una do one Ghana Premier League.
Ghana Premier League.
Oh wow.
I made the bag Premier League. No, man, sang uncle coach because many 1 year 1 term contract.
Okay.
And man's uncle in the city hall, and I made the back quite big United.
Quite big
no so leg and the ball unbeaten the whole season team be anyone a
share. Okay.
And your bar final game, your new Okwa in same be play 1 to me, uncle.
Okay.
And I made a bar Susu Bribi.
Okay.
In this Awubasha, Eastern region, teams are Cassia, Eastern region, apart from Okwa United,
okay.
Apart from Okwa United. And as I say, I made a big play of Heart of Lions.
Okay.
As I say, I made a
Heart of Lions. Okay. FA, we create a platform very well to come to Mampong. With your expertise, with your links, with your connections. Why do you think football in Mampong is suffering?
The entire football in Mampong is suffer baby. One, Mofrana Nkasa. I was say one Monday to one say ye per se ye be my young eye. Say what started say we yes and I'll be nyamwa.
How?
If he say me and I make us say me to make a park so na me ko do ye nipe tu ni afa dadaade si yekodo se na yebenya moya eni nti ni yekoye na se wanye sa effort ya obi anso moa because sebe bo Ghana hankrofu bi ka se wo pese wo fie o se wo fie nya en wo de wo hyebo
okay
obi nim se so de ne ho kɔ hyebo ma ni sika nyina ebe hye
okay
nti ansa no de ne ho so be hyebo mu no o pese ohun se wo nipa no why you serious se oya adachi bi ono so benya bi wo ho a but wo ankasa wan ye serious obi anso ni wa obeboa na me nso ade bi a me se hu wo mampon aye mampon ha no ye ngaye ye ho ye ne ye nhwe okay instead say obi fiase a obi besum na ye tuma peja ade no ni ye jawa to oba akofo nso
okay
se ni nko anye eno na eno so hawe wo ye mbo ni
Wow, I did hear very, very, very thoughtful and inspiring. Mami sa coach. Say looking at Mampong football culture, because Mampong trying to raise a footballer here. I don't think it's a joke. Yes, a very, very way power. So now the question comes like, do you think a time will come all these things can change?
Oh yeah. Sisi akra de Nyankopon adom, wo mu gusu ye empa kama.
Okay.
Ni enya ultra modern pitch.
Okay.
E wo Mampong.
Okay.
Nti time bi ebeba, nyama be sisa enye se ya ada. If you say me kai time me so am be to player bi wo friend Kwesi Dini.
Okay.
Say up to now you can see yenyi Mampong ha nyina obi oni mbọ a one na me choose no
Kwesi Dini
enso yo no wantuma amobọ no anko be.
Okay.
Bet ni American football no eye committed and now ono ne time no na ye the talent and ebo.
Okay.
Sisi ya yemfa talent bebre mobo. Sisi ya yemfa talent bebre mobo. One, adia yede ebobo eye. Who play anankasa if you are ready to play.
Oh, okay.
Because this is born ye chere no wangabo.
Okay.
First ne de wuni mbo a ansa na obebo. By say ya de chere nti obi ayin nani abre pese osua na obono ye be chere ne kama no wabo. Eno na sisi ya no eye Mampong hafo hu se bono enye talent ni bebre no.
Okay.
Ene ye befa.
Okay.
But eye obi a wani abre pese obo. Esi ame no ka se Mampong ha se me de mani etoto ya Mampong ha minimpa no play abako pe ene obo division 1.
Oh, okay.
Ono kura nanse am kokoti ni wo division 1 team bi e wo brekum.
Oh, okay.
Oh, se wohwe nia ogusu ye mane ho a akasa ye nso ye beboa no.
Okay.
Nti mo ane de from next year ye nyina ye de better net.
Okay.
Na ye ngaboa no.
I mean shira pa. Ma yemra Mampong, you are in Mampong. Let's stay in Mampong. Kuntunchi FC and Mampong United. Nina mix by mixing na mix. Do you think it's about time Mampong should be able to get a team for ourselves?
Eja, sa the way the question you be say we be say question da me commence.
Okay.
If you say ye bokuro din Mampong na say team enima e wo say ye nga ye wo mu bia no e haw yen.
Okay.
Ni enti am say e haw yen ye. Se ene obo dawu a obi anim wo Ghana ha.
Yes. Yes.
Enya hwi nti no obi anim dawu. Eye ball keke.
Years ago.
Years
ago. United.
Dawu ama dawu adidin to extend that obi abo dawu a obi anim.
Yeah.
But esane ball e ko honti na ama amanfo ahu.
Yeah.
Mampong kontonchi Mampong ka ekwiapema uyi kuro we wodin e wo ekwiapema uyi 3 ana me ka me de ma me ka ne 5 unyi nya o Mampong
Debi.
enso obetum abɔ mampɔn kura na obi anim no wo face ye asante mampɔn enso sanke etumi raise team na team no go into highest level and ye bɔ wo mampɔn a na nka eja mampɔn be ye din papa sesi ya me ade san ha me bio ye se wo hwɛ park na wo mo ye na se wo mo ye park ni wi a ebe ye fine de na emom team kese bi antumi emem se ye team na ye kese se ye mo Premier League ye antumi mo was a park na so if you say park no nga ye ne ketwa enu DFA standard ni akase ye de kobo team kese wa di na kire se ya de ebetuma be nya team kese ewo kurom ha agbo inti ye mpanyinfo no so edu ba bi a won mo hwe niam bi no won fa moaye efise se obi wo team mpo no de ba mampon ha te se won bete Rangers na mamponfu bi wo ha no ma won mo egbo bi inti ye no so yetumi ka se eye mampon team efise mampon ha ne wo but se Rangers ti ase a enanka wo bo mampon anka DFA ni kura won ala won mo mampon park na so if you say club license ni ama wo de tu dwa no anka mampon park nanka emiti
enye standard
inti edu ba bi nsu ampanfo ne mo aye
inti enche bia de nkomo no besi ba question maybe sao do you think there is hope for football in Mampong?
There is big hope. There is big hope because we share Mufra last time we share Mufra ball school football wahano na we share ball la Mufra ne boa utumi hu say talent ne de wahapa na emom to develop them
hona asem no one and now we can say we be develop one so ya was ye nyane ama bi aye de be kan na amana di mu inti empanyinfo amutie yen mo ma yen hwe se na mekan no Mampong ye ya de kese a ede yen be kwa nimpa ball no so etumi di nipa etumi di kuro ne kura ekwa anim inti mo hwe na mo me nyina mo a ni ntumi yenye biribi ewo kuruma inti mpacho o final words asemena one obia opese oye football young person opese oye football in Mampong no asemena o ka kire no number 2 obia oye Mampong ni e kan na koma opese obe invest in football no ono so asemena ka kire no
ya me ka kire o man say football no e ya adwuma e yedin say we start say we invest ya we no one hwe ni abasem ebebu but afutu ya me be mo ne say me ameti me train mo fra bebre ya ebi bo Barcelona nyina
wow
me train mo fra se ne me ka se place a me train on bobo wo abrotira nanka we afidie so ye nso
wow
internet kire se nipa ne ka se oya na oye ni ya on finance ensi fem da ena ahanso talent no ewa ha se woye na woye ni ya ubedidi hu de bia inti no bibia wo pese woye ball se woka se woye onfa won sense fem eni an se ubehia ye support ni ya boa ni ya kire wa enani so na ba bia board ubewura no wa weni bejon ti se mi amiti be bia board mewura na ja me ka kire wa nso be ka so tina kwa kogobi
wow
nso enna fem sa ndi obibia o pese we no wo pese we ya yenso ye be boa mania o pese won sa kan so won sa kan
pacha finally ni fan so Kontonchi Media pacha asembe na obeka kire ahwefo won wa bruchi wo Ghana nyina fa Kontonchi Media ho
Kontonchi Media de asema mekan eye media efiansa na won pija won hu na won aye Mampong nso aye krabehwe biribi aye enafem sebe wankasa wukura wo phone na wo to credit na wo de ye wo ne amakura mpo no enafem obi bia wo baabi a wo hwe Kontonchi Media support bia wo a wo de beboa media no na media no bre nyina obeso na sen so far cameras a won be use nyina enafem nti obi bia wo hwe content media a wo pese mampon eye krabehwe enche bia ye ba bedi ohun content media be sore ne won mu hia cameras a ba bi atitiri ne benche a wo a won so obetuma hwe ohun ne life wantuma makura won so obetuma hwe ne life bibi bia won mu hia be boa won no won so de aye won adwuma na ye krabehwe no bo mo de afa boa na wo de boa nso ya media no nso momoden no won fa wudi mra won fa obribia amra no won hu sansemasi na boa ye na ye nso yetumi ekonkanse obi bia wo hwe content media nso so sebe wo hwe nyina no mmua bia wo na wo de aboa media no na etumi media na etumi aboa ma watumi ahwe ne da na etumi akos nti obi amu content media.
Mr. Ernest Ochre, coach, yedase pa na minshira.
Me so me dase pa na mechia mampoma nyina nso. Mampoma mom yenka mom na yemu anana na yentumi ontumi mu oman na enye krabehwe. Me do bibias.
Yedase pa.